This one simple hack will help you get more views on TikTok. And I don't care if your idea for your video on TikTok is like the most unbelievably creative, amazing, fantastic idea, or you're gonna break the algorithm and get a crap ton of views and go viral and all that stuff. This will absolutely help you get more views. Just one simple hack, one simple tweak you can make to all of your TikTok videos moving forward right now. Now let's go. If it's your first time on this channel, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now if it is your first time on this channel, who am I and why am I even qualified to talk to you about getting more views on TikTok? The fact is, I have a TikTok channel myself. At this point, at this time in this video, doesn't have a whole lot going on it. I think I have close to 1,000 followers now, which isn't a lot on TikTok because mostly I focus here on YouTube, and I focus on teaching my clients how to grow on social media, and I teach affiliate marketing. If you haven't heard of affiliate marketing, then make sure you subscribe to this channel because I show you that it is the best way to make money online. None of your own products, none of your own services, none of that stuff. You're just promoting other people's stuff. Now, for those of you who are returning and you do know what I talk about on this channel, and you do affiliate marketing and you use TikTok for business, this one tweak is gonna change everything, I promise you that. Now, without further ado, what is this tweak that I'm talking about? It's really simple. And Russell Brunson talks about it in his book, .com Secrets. He talks about it in Expert Secrets. If you haven't read those books, make sure you read those books. But he talks about this structure of all internet marketing where he talks about hook, story, offer. Okay, and if you look at all internet marketing, even watch this video right here where I gave you a hook in the beginning, I'm giving you a story right now, and at the end there may or may not be an offer. Probably not. This is free. This is a YouTube channel. My offer is pretty much just subscribe, okay? Just follow me and I'm going to show you a lot of good, awesome, amazing, valuable stuff. That being said, the most important part that I want you to pay attention to on that and that teaching is hook, right? What is a hook and why is it super important on TikTok, okay? Here's why. TikTok's algorithm is not complicated, okay? A lot of people on YouTube right now are trying to hack the algorithm. They're trying to tell you what secrets to use, what this, what that. TikTok's algorithm works pretty much the same way as YouTube's algorithm works, which means they want people to stay on TikTok. But what videos keep people staying on TikTok, watching more stuff, scrolling, looking, engaging and hearting and all that good stuff? What kinds of videos are those? The kinds of videos that keep people's eyeballs on the video. So the longer you get people to watch your video on TikTok, the more TikTok will push your video out to more people, and that's when you start getting that viral effect. The more people that scroll past your video and don't even watch the first 2 seconds of it, and they're just like, I don't want to see that. That's bad, okay? That means your video is gonna die and it's gonna lose a lot of reach and nobody's gonna care, and TikTok's just not gonna care about your video. They're not gonna promote your video anymore, okay? I have multiple clients inside of the affiliate franchise. If you wanna find out more about it, click the link in the description where we walk you through and build your business for you, and we show you how to do marketing and all that good stuff. We work with you hand in hand. The only coaching program that does that kind of thing, okay? That being said, the hook is super important because in that first 2, 3, maybe all the way up to 5 seconds, you have to be able to grab that person's attention who's just scrolling on TikTok, minding their own business, trying to find the most interesting thing they can find. You have to be able to catch that person right then and there, and you have to be able to keep their attention at least for the first 3 to 5 seconds, okay? Because if you can make it past the first 3 to 5 seconds, guess what? You've gripped them and you have them now. But here's the key to TikTok beyond this hook thing. And I'm gonna show you a few hooks. I'm gonna teach you a few hooks, give you some examples. But besides this hook thing, there's another secret to keeping people engaged and keeping people watching your TikTok videos so that it could go viral and you get a lot more views, okay? Here's the other secret. The other secret is that on TikTok, you actually need 2 hooks. You can't just have one. This is what most people do. What most people do who even are good marketers are being taught by big gurus and have courses and they think that they know everything. They still don't get a whole lot of views on TikTok because they're only doing 1 hook. And here's the secret I'm telling you. You want to do 2 hooks. And here's how I want you to structure those hooks. Ready? Make sure you have a pen and pad. Make sure you watch this part of the video over and over until you get it. The first part of the hook, the first hook in that first 3 to 5 seconds is that promise of value. That promise of, in the beginning of this video, I said one amazing hack that's gonna get you more views on TikTok. That's the first part of your hook. It could be, these 3 secrets are keeping your business from growing, or these 3 myths, you know, something like that. Or here's a hack that's gonna help you save more money and you're working a 9 to 5. Or here's a secret the government doesn't want to tell you. It doesn't matter what it is, whatever your hook is, come up with something creative, come up with something that keeps people going, oh my God, I need to see the rest of this. But here's hook number 2, and here's the big secret. The big secret is to make sure you smash that like button and get this all out to more people here on YouTube. I know that was corny, okay? But I want you to smash that like button. I love getting likes. A lot of people don't leave likes. They just, you know, take the videos and then run with them and they don't give anything back to the creators. All I want is likes, okay? So make sure you hit that like button. Now that being said, sorry, let me go back to the valuable part. Hook number 2 is gonna be a continuation of that first hook, but usually it's a without statement. So say I said, hey, here's a secret hack to get you more views on TikTok without having pretty videos or without having the most creative videos on the planet. And I think I said something similar to that in the beginning of this video, right? Here's a secret that the government doesn't want you to know about student loans. And you don't even have to really be in school right now. These student loans could be 30 years old. Okay, here's a secret that the government doesn't want to tell you about paying your taxes. And you don't have to be an accountant to know this stuff. It's a secret hack and nobody, you know, whatever you want to elaborate on that hook. The first hook, all it did was get people's attention to stop scrolling. That's hook number 1. Said, here's the thing you're gonna get. Sounds spectacular, sounds awesome. Without, right, without thing that you don't actually want or thing that you think I'm gonna teach you, right? Here's how to get your dream car. Here's how to get a Tesla. Here's how to get a Ferrari. Here's how to get this without good credit. Whoa, that's gonna get people locked in. It's gonna get people saying, whoa, what? I need to watch the rest of this, right? Because this is something secret and valuable and I'd never heard anybody teach this. So I need to watch the rest of the video. And then what do you do for the rest of the video? Give them exactly what you just told them. Don't hold anything back. Don't hold anything behind a paywall. Don't have people buying courses and, you know, so, you know, follow for more and all that stuff. People want the actual value of the thing that you said you were going to give them. When you do that, you're naturally going to get followers. You're naturally going to get more viewers, more engagement, more comments, people buying your courses or whatever it is that you're selling, your affiliate stuff. You're naturally going to get that because people on TikTok really respect their time. They can scroll past your video and they can see 10 million more videos, okay? You're not special. They didn't look you up, you just showed up on their feed. So because of that, if you jump into their life, jump into their day and give them something quick, something valuable, something that they really appreciate, they'll naturally follow. They'll naturally say, hey, Infamous Joel's pretty awesome. He gave me this really cool tip and I took it and I learned something from it and I'm gonna actually use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow because maybe he has more, okay? So that's how you have to treat TikTok. That's how you get more views. It's super simple, but making that one tweak, hook number 1, hook number 2, and then give them something super valuable. Give them some free, juicy, amazing stuff, okay? That's gonna absolutely get you more views. I promise you that. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Tell me you tried it. Tell me you're a TikTok creator and it worked and you got a crap ton of views. I wanna hear your story. I'm the Infamous Joel and I'm out.